Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be using the new Morphe 35I Icy Fantasy Palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous packaging, so not the typical black, sleek Morphe packaging. Instead, we have this pastel marble print on it. I also picked up the Morphe Pop of Pastel matte lipstick trio, so we'll look at these as well. And yeah, so let's just get right into today's video. As always, I have my face makeup done, so I want to give you guys a close-up of this palette. It's so gorgeous if you love pastel eyeshadows and you want a colorful palette. The whole palette looks like it is so pretty. There's a bunch of matte shades in here. There's some more shimmery ones, and then there's like more glitter ones like this one down here. I'm so excited to try this out. I don't even know what to create with this because there are so many looks you can create. So I'm first just going to start out by using a concealer. This one is from NYX and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply this all across the lid. I'm just going to do this so that we have a nice base to work with before we start applying any color. So I'm going to just start out in the shade Coral Cloud, which is like this really light orangey color, and tapping this off, and I'm going to actually probably use this color as a base for some pink eyeshadow, so I'm just going to lay this down. The shade Sky High, which is a little bit more of a pink shade, and I'm going to apply this over the orangey color right in my crease. Next up, I'm going into the shade Dreamer, which is this more purple color, and I'm going to place this right on the outer half of the crease. So now that the crease colors are laid down, we have this really soft pink to purple gradient. I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just cut the crease all the way across by just applying the concealer on my lid and dragging it out. So now that the concealer has been applied, I'm going to go into the shade Imagine, which is a light pink shimmery color, and I'm just placing this on the inner quarter of the lid. And this will stick down really nicely since we have concealer down. I'm going to go into this purple shimmery color called Spellbinding, and using a flat eyeshadow brush again, I'm placing this down. Adding the shade Rosy Haze, which is a deeper pink shimmery color, and I'm just going to place this on the outer edge of the glitters that we've applied to the lid. And over top of that, I'm applying the purple shimmery color that's all the way over here. The next thing that I'm going to do is use an angled brush and just dampen it with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go into the shade Frostbite, which is this really pretty glitter shade, and I'm just going to line my crease with this. I'm actually very impressed with how well that worked. For the lower lash line, I want to add some different colors, so I'm going into the shade Into the Blue, which is a matte, really pretty shade. And I'm just going to very lightly place this on the outer half of the lower lash line. And next to that, I'm applying the shade Chill Thrill, which is this really pretty like Tiffany blue color. It's so gorgeous. Placing this on the remainder of the lower lash line. I'm going into the shade Thaw Yeah, which is a shimmery shade, kind of just like the matte one we just applied, but it has a shimmer. And I'm just going to place this all across the lower lash line, just tapping that down. For the inner corners, I'm going to go into the shade Euphoria, and I'm going to use this matte white shade just for the brow bone because we have enough shimmer going on. We don't need any more shimmer on the brow bone. For my waterline today, I want to apply a colorful liner, so I'm using the Morphe eye pencil, and this is in the shade Faith. Line my waterline. This is just a metallic-y purple liner. And now I'm going to apply some liquid liner. So today I'm using the Adora Unshakeable liquid liner, and I'm just going to create my wing in line, kind of going along with the cut crease. For my lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Wispies, and then after I apply those, I'm just going to add some mascara. Now the eyes are done, and for my highlighter today, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Powder Highlighter in the shade Cheers Darling. It's going to highlight my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, above my eyebrows, and my Cupid's bow. For my lip liner, I'm using the Morphe Lip Pencil in the shade Crush. So now we're going to go into the Morphe Lip Trio. There's obviously 3 lipsticks in here. So we have a more pink one that is in the shade Wonder, and this is so gorgeous. I might actually use this one today. It's like a really nice light pastel pink in the shade Charisma, and it is a pastel orange lipstick. The shade Mystify, which is a purple. So it goes perfect with this collection. But first I think I'm just going to see how just using the shade Wonder looks. I kind of want to see the purple. So I think I'm going to go in with the purple shade and, like, I don't know, apply it to the outer corners of my lips. This is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I really like the way that this turned out. I like this really pretty blue pop of color on the bottom. Glitter cut crease I think looks really good, especially it's not even a liquid liner. It's just eyeshadow, so that's really cool. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz, so be sure to go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!